Hey guys, Alex here with Paragon Performance. Today we're going to be showing you how to install the Attack Blue drop-in filters for your Z06 and ZR1. These are a simple and easy replacement. Gives you the ability to clean the filters so you don't ever have to buy another one again after purchasing the Attack Blues. Let's get to this install. Alright, so we've gained access to our air box here. We are going to need to remove the 6 8mm screws here around the outside of the air box and open the cover. Then we'll be able to pull those filters out, swap them out with our new Attack Blues. Then we'll put the cover back on, tighten down those 6 screws. All right, so we've got the filters back in there. Just make sure your seal is still seated in the air box. And we're gonna reinstall the cover. Just like that, they're installed. Now you're going to want to get your trunk put back together in the reverse order of how you took it apart and enjoy that new Attack Blue filter and the ease of serviceability with it. As always, like, subscribe, and comment. We'll see you guys next time.